many do I have? Let's see. Hi guys, we are going to harvest some corn today. I did try 2 already and I think the corn is ready to be harvested. So we're going to harvest the corn and then I'm going to show you how we roast the corn in Cameroon, where I am originally from. So guys, here's my corn. I planted the corn in July. I want to say around the 2nd week of July, and it's October the 8th or 9th. So it's been about 3 months and it's time to harvest the corn. Here's my harvest, guys. I'm so happy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to roast the corn. Guys, I'm going to roast the corn right in here. This little thing, this kettle that you use to start your charcoal in. Perfect for roasting the corn. So I'll put some about halfway. Alright guys, while our charcoal gets ready, let's see what we have here. Okay. We'll put it up. The way that we best enjoy corn is by roasting. Absolutely nothing in there. Okay. Wish me better luck. Oh, it's not good. Woohoo! 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 That one has nothing inside. Okay. Okay, now look, now we are talking. We'll see this one. Ha, look at this one. Nice and beautiful. Hey guys, YAJE popping in just to offer some explanation as to why I am not having so much luck with the pollination of the corn. The reason is because I did not have too many corn plants growing in the backyard. When we do backyard gardening in a small space like this, and then we grow something like corn that needs like a massive amount of the corn growing in the space for pollination to actually happen, these are some of the challenges that you can face. So the reason why the corn did not pollinate as much is because I did not have too many of the corn plants growing in the space. The more you have growing, the better your chances of pollination. It is not because this is, in quotes, the African type of dent corn. The African type of dent corn can do well here. As you can see, I did get some pollination. It's just I didn't get enough of it growing in the same space. Okay. Out of the 10, I think we have 5 good ones. 5 good ones, and then 5 that were not properly pollinated. So about 50%. Okay, we're going to roast the corn now. Our charcoal is now ready. I've put this thing over it. I don't know what the name is, but it came from this other grill down here. Okay, so now we are going to roast the corn. Direct heat. This brings back so many fresh memories of growing back home in Cameroon, where I am originally from. When it would be around May or June, there would be a lot of fresh corn, and we would harvest the corn and roast it just like so. And the corn is usually enjoyed with either fresh boiled peanuts or plums, roasted plums. This is what we refer to as plums back in Africa. They are super healthy and nutritious, and we would have so many good memories. I hope this inspires you to grow some corn, because we can absolutely replicate this experience out here in the diaspora. Okay, I think our corn is ready. Oh, I may have burnt it. Oh well. I'll go burn. I may have burned the corn.